Okay, there were no questions on the homework. I would like to think that that's because many of you are understanding, but when I look at your work, some of you are not really understanding, okay? So I'm doing number 5 from Monday's homework because today's homework is very, very similar, okay? First thing to know is what does that symbol mean? That symbol means that that angle is 90 degrees. When you see that little rectangle, that means 90 degrees. Okay? Now, I know that this is 90. This is x plus 27. And I have vertical angles right here. So this is x plus 77. The vertical one, the one opposite, would also be x plus 77. Now, I have two choices. I can use a triangle sum theorem, or I can use the x-triangle theorem. So triangle sum theorem, and the other choice I have is the x-triangle theorem. Now, this is the area where many of you are having problems. What do you use depends on what they gave you. Okay? If they gave you interior angles, then you'll be using this theorem. If they give you an exterior angle, then you use this theorem. Okay? Now, if you focus, they gave you that angle, and that is an interior angle because it's inside a triangle. They gave me this angle, and that's an interior angle because it's inside a triangle. They gave me this, well, I calculated this, and that's an interior angle. So because I have all interior angles, I need to use that theorem. Okay? Some of you might be saying, wait a minute, isn't that an exterior angle? Remember, I'm not using this. Okay? I'm only using this information here. So what I have is mainly interior angles. Okay? And what that means, if you add all the angles, should be equal to 180. So one angle, let's say one of them will be 90, plus the other interior angle, x plus 27, plus the other interior angle, and that'll be equal to 180. Okay? Now, I get the x by itself. I can combine the 90 with the 27 with the 77. Okay, so 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 0 will be 14, so that's 4. And carry a 1. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18, and 1 is, what's it? 7, 9, 18, and 1 will be 19. And combine the x's. 1x combined with 1x will give you 2x's. And nothing to combine here, so that will remain as 180. Now, get rid of 194. That'll be negative 194. What you do to one side, do it to the other. That will cancel, so the answer will be 2x is equal to negative 14. Get the x by itself. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. So the answer will be x is equal to negative 7. Gotta be careful. That's not the answer. What they asked me is find the measure of angle A. Now, angle A is this angle right here. Okay, this is angle A. So, my answer will be the following. My answer will be the following. Will be the measurement of angle A will be equal to A is x plus 27. Now take this answer and substitute it in here for x. So you have a negative 7 plus 27. So angle A will be 20. The measurement of angle A, and that is my answer. Okay, very important. Make sure you read the question carefully. Make sure you answer the problem. Because in this case, they're not asking for x, they're asking for what is the measurement by y. Okay? Thank you.